performance piece created by two members of the UC San Diego community. It's a collaboration across the music department and the Department of Visual Arts. It was produced by Grace Grothaus, who is a visual artist who works in physical computing and work on environmental issues, and Peter Sloan, a composer involved in climate justice issues. Their collaboration focuses on climate change, modeled and reflexively interrogated in a systems piece that opens out to human instrumentation in a kind of machine body chorus, what Grace terms a solastalgic lamentation. Ilyana Wanyuk on violin, Paul Roth on alto sax, Juliana Glauna on oboe, David Aguila on trumpet, and Catherine Schulmeister on bass.
I also just want to tell you a little bit about some of the sounds you'll be hearing. We gathered them from an archive at the Whale Acoustics Lab at the Scripps Institute of Oceanography, and I am very indebted to Joshua Jones, who is a PhD student in that lab, who wears many hats and works extremely hard to disseminate the research that they've done for many years there, and he's very devoted to working collaboratively with creative musicians and artists and activists and anyone who can, I think, take some of the knowledge that they're producing and get it out into the world and do something creative with it that inspires change. The music is truly as much Josh's as it is mine, and as much of the animals that you'll be hearing tonight. Those animals are beluga whales, bowhead whales, ribbon seals, ringed seals, bearded seals. You'll hear a variety of shipping sounds as well. You'll hear ice events, and you'll actually hear some sounds that were created from the process of recording itself. We wanted to kind of leave in that trace of the encounter.
What you're about to see is a projection of how climate change may affect our oceans. The USGS suggests that if we lose our polar caps, if they fully melt, the oceans will rise by 200 feet globally, everywhere. That's just one of the many facts that we're inundated concerning what may potentially come to pass with our oceans every day. But it's really hard to take in those facts. So it's our hope that we can use art to turn to an affective experience to really give life and rise to those facts, literally rise, from which the title came, and to have a lived experience together through that.